and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making something delicious. It's gonna be a breakfast casserole. So I'm gonna get everything ready, and guess what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So in this bowl, I've whisked together some eggs and milk. I put my biscuits in the bottom of the pan. I've already cooked and shredded my sausage. I'm about to cut up my green onions, and here is my extra sharp cheddar cheese. I made my sausage gravy. So we're gonna sprinkle our sausage on top of our biscuits and cover them up. Next, we're gonna sprinkle some cheese. A nice good layer of cheese on top of the sausage. Next, we're gonna pour our egg mixture. Next, I'm gonna add just a few green onions. Time to pour our gravy. Now we're going to add some more cheese. And the rest of our green onions. I wanted to layer those green onions so that it'll be all the way throughout, not just on top. So the casserole was amazing. I want to thank you guys for joining me today in Levon's Kitchen, and I'll see you next time.